So today I'm going to be showing how to get a sample from the wound. So the first thing that I would do would be knock on the patient's door. Hi, my name is Kate. I'm going to be your nurse today. I'm going to sanitize my hands. I'm just going to get a sample from that wound you have over there. The doctor wants to know if anything is going on in there. So we're just going to get a sample from there real quick. Before we do that, can you please tell me your name? Okay, and your date of birth? Okay, good. So I sanitize my hands. I'm going to put on my gloves. I brought in the specimen swab. So you would take it out of the package. You make sure that there's a seal on it. You're gonna not let anything contaminate that. And then you are going to find an area that has drainage and you're gonna go in there. Okay. And then you put it back in. You're gonna make sure that you printed out the label and make sure that the name that she said was the same name and the date of birth on here. You're then going to scan the patient's wristband and then scan the specimen swab and put it into a hazard bag and then take it down to lab. I would document that I did that as well. Take off my gloves, sanitize my hands. All right, Sarah, do you need anything in the meantime? No? Okay, well, here's your call light. Let me know if you need anything, okay?